Hi, Beanbeauti, Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? I am coming on here just for a short little video because I received a care package. Can y'all see? It says care package. I received it from Cloverleaf Bags, Robin. I do a lot of shopping with her, and she sent me this care package. She said she was just a little bit worried about me being sick and under the weather, and she wanted to cheer me up, I'm guessing. She wanted to cheer me up, and so I was really surprised that that I got it. Although I shouldn't be. Robin is just so extremely generous, and she has just embraced me and has just been a wonderful friend on top of being a reseller. And let's see, here's a little card. She sent me a little card. And oh, it's a little pumpkin. And it says, feel lots better soon. Dear Dee Dee, you're in my thoughts and prayers. Here's a little something for you. Love, Robin. She's so sweet. Thank you, Robin. I greatly appreciate that. Little get well soon. And ooh, there's lots of little goodies in here. Lots of goodies. A replenishing sheet mask for some retinol and vitamin E. Definitely, I see what kind of care package she's sending me. And then here is a moisturizing foot mask. Yes, all right. So then we also have in here in a plastic, oh, honey for my throat. That is so okay, that is very thoughtful and sweet. Very, very cute. You know what, I'm gonna keep this by my bed because at night honey is very good to help soothe your throat, especially when you're coughing. So I'm definitely gonna keep that by my bed. I have little packets from Amazon that have the honey in them, but I'm just about out of those. I use those to travel with. Hand cream, vanilla. Ooh, vanilla. Let's see. Oh, it has a foil on there. Okay, I'll have to check that out later. And then, oh, and here's a little toy. It's a little charm. It's a little piggy. It's so cute. Robin, you're so sweet. Okay, something to cheer my spirits up. Something for my face, something for my feet, something for my hands and my body, and something for my throat. Robin, you are just so thoughtful. Thank you so much for my care package. I greatly appreciated it. I'm definitely going to use all of the things, and I'm feeling like I said in another video, I'm probably about 20% there. Still have a long way to go, but thank you very much, Robin, for thinking about me. I greatly appreciate it. Thanks for my care package. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, if you don't know who Robin from Cloverleaf Bag is, Cloverleaf Bags, I will put a picture here. I will link her in the description box below. She does unboxings, not unboxing, she does bag sales on Mondays for sure. Sometimes she will do some clearance sales. She always does all kinds of drawings, you know, throughout the month. So go over there and see what she has to offer, and tell her I sent you, and buy a bag or two, because I'm trying not to buy right now. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, love y'all. Bye-bye.